Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin anong energy na parating sa inyo ngayong first half ng December. So, December 1 to 15. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you December 1 to 15. For Taurus, December 1 to 15, please. Wow, happy! Mag-e-enjoy kayo first half ng December. Maaring may mga events kayong pupuntahan, gatherings, wherein you will just have fun, enjoy, ganyan. Pwedeng attend ka ng concert or a party. Ayan. You also have thinker. So, may mga ano ka rin, pinag-iisipan ngayong first half ng December about paano mo mas may improve yung situation mo ngayon. This can be situation sa yung career, sa buhay mo, sa lifestyle mo, sa relationship mo. You want a more stable life, no? Like a stable career, stable relationship. You have time for a nap. Okay. So, ngayon, iniisip mo, what would be the best thing to do? Oo, ngayong first half ng December. And I think, makakatulong sa inyo kung iiwasan nyo yung pag-overthink at ipapahinga nyo yung isip nyo. Kasi kapag well-rested yung isip nyo, mas mabilis kayong makapag-isip, makapag-formulate ng ideas, makasolve ng mga problems or issues, diba? You will also spend some time in, having good sleep. Pwedeng kung kayo ay lately ay laging puyat, hirap matulog, pwedeng meron kang mga gagawing paraan para maayos mo yung iyong sleeping habits ngayong first half ng December. So, let's see what else. You have the Four of Swords. Tulog talaga. Taurus, kayo ba yung masyadong pagod? Stress? 4 and 5. Yan ang yan yung mga significant numbers sa inyo. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Parang 2 na lang. Oo. Change kasi rin yan. You have the Star. 7 of Swords. Nako. Taurus, pay attention sa mga taong intentions ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi meron ditong very tricky energy no, na maaring nag-offer sa'yo ng opportunity, but ang totoo, hindi pala yun opportunity for you, lalo na if it has something to do with investments, okay? So, pay attention to that. Kasi maaring meron ditong sugapa. Merong tao sa paligid mo like parang wants to get something from you. Okay? So, pay attention sa mga humihingi or let's say merong hihingi sa'yo ng tulong pero hindi pala totoo na yung dahilan niya ng paghingi niya ng tulong sa'yo. 'Di ba? Halimbawa sabihin niya, ay kasi nagkasakit yung yung si ganto, si ganyan. Pero ang totoo hindi naman pala. Nagdadahilan lang siya, although kailangan niya talaga ng pera. And you might, pwedeng ma-realize mo kung sino to. Or malaman mo yung totoo. Kasi pwedeng niloloko tayo pero hindi natin alam, 'di ba? So, some of you might learn about this. That's why yung iba sa inyo, you will try to parang iiwas sa ganitong klaseng tao. Meron din kasing form of betrayal dito, especially sa family member or relatives, no, kamag-anak or someone that is close to you. Kasi mukhang maganda yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, like they see you as being successful, having a great time. Tapos parang they want a piece of your pie or a slice of your pie. Kumbaga gusto rin nila ng blessing mo na meron ka. Ang tanong, nandun ba sila nung time na nahihirapan ka, when you're trying to build yourself? Kasi kung nandun sila, then they deserve your help. Deserve nila yung tulong mo. Pero kung wala sila nung mga time na you were struggling, you were building, and then ngayon lang sila darating. So, medyo sketchy yung para masasabi natin, medyo sketchy yung kanilang intentions. Okay, pay attention to that. Kasi iba sa inyo, very stable yung inyong finances. Kaya parang, yung iba parang magugulat na lang din no? Na successful ka na pala. Ganon. Tapos, syempre, sabihin nila, tulungan mo sila. Okay, bodybuilder. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're also focusing on your health, yung iyong physical health. You may be going to the gym or mas pinapalakas mo yung katawan mo ngayon. There's also a communication coming. May message kang marireceive. Oh my God. Sorry ha, pero hindi naman para sa lahat, but there's a specific message here, Taurus, na maaring meron kang marireceive na balita, no? From someone na isang tao na malapit sa'yo ay namatay, okay? Oo, parang ganon. Hindi siya okay, but what I'm saying is, this can be anyone. Pwedeng kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, kakilala mo. So, you also have Fortress, staying in power. Yes. Hindi mo hahayaan na ikaw ay tapak-tapakan ng iba. Kumbaga, you will stay in power. You will set boundaries. O, diba? Kasi sabi ko ng set boundaries, yung boundaries talaga to. Yes, you are holding up. Kumbaga, pinaninindigan mo yung mga naging decisions mo sa buhay. Hindi mo hahayaan na kumbaga ang tawag doon, i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Queen of Swords, the Moon, and the Lovers. Okay. So, itong the Moon, the Lovers energy, when it comes to money, career, finances, parang pagpasok sa isang commitment, sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, sa investment, kailangan mo talagang i-double check kung ano yung pinapasok mo. Mas maging, yung parang vigilant with the Queen of Swords. Pag-isipang maigi. Kasi pwedeng, like what I mentioned kanina, pwedeng meron dito na ma-scam, no? Or, alam nyo na ngayon, maraming lumalabas na mga nag-offer ng mga business, tapos investment, tapos yung pala hindi naman kikita, 'di ba? So be careful with that. Sa love life, you have the 8 of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. Okay. So there's communication coming in from someone. Can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pwedeng new relationship to for some of you. Yung iba naman, this can be a communication sa isang tao na hinihintay mo talaga na mag-message sa'yo. Pwedeng galing sa malayo, no? If you are connecting sa long distance. Attune to the divine. So, you're going to be very connected to your higher self, to your instinct. Malakas yung intuition mo ngayon. Kaya nararamdaman mo kung meron ba, if there's something wrong with a person's energy. Embrace the flow of life. Yan. So, this is going with the flow. wala kang, kumbaga, hindi mo i-resist yung mga changes na mangyayari sa'yo or yung mga experiences na kailangan mong pagdaanan for your transformation. Release your blocks. You are releasing your blocks, Taurus. Alam mo yan alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo, no? Na mag-evolve, na mag-expand. So, you're going to release that para ma-embrace mo talaga yung flow of life, what you really deserve. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.